as you probably have seen from the previous video, if you watched my previous video, that during recording this video, I had the package has came. This paint is called second, and that's what came then. And actually, straight after finishing the another video, I decided to record this one, just the opening. I was waiting for this package for a couple of days, and these are lenses which were provided for me by Lences Color Official. That they decided that they would like to sponsor all of the artists who would like to make videos for NYX, and they do, just a second, they do, I think, 25% off their lenses just now while the NYX competition is going. But since they're offering artists who are applying for NYX competition the pair of lenses, they also offer a discount for everybody else's who would like to have lenses cheaper, but they don't plan to take part in the competition. So great time. I haven't seen how it looked yet because that's the first time I have the package from them, and that's very, very, very exciting. So I have chosen these lenses because it had to go with my look that I'm going to do and for what I've planned for NYX. This packet is so shiny. It just feels really bad for me to throw it out, so I think I'm going to use it. I don't like throwing things out. I mean, I always reuse things as much as I can, whenever I can. So I will try to find a use for this package. I know that might sound silly, but I do hate waste. Either we're speaking about food or plastic. I hate wasting plastic and just throwing it out. So whenever I can, I will reuse things. Now, so I have two packages of I suppose it will be empty just for storage for later on when I open. I have a solution. So this is Fashion Lentil Solution Multifunctions for soft contact lenses. So it's just for storing them afterwards. That's a great care. Thank you very much, Lences Color Official. This is very nice that I don't have to look for anything else. I just can start using it straight away. And lenses. Now, this is the first look. These are actually Sclera lenses. I always wanted to have them, and they are very expensive. And when they offered me, I already had so many lenses before, and I never had Sclera lenses, so this one is something that I'm really looking for. They are quite big and they kind of turned in there. There is a space inside, but all of it should be like cover all of my eye. So this is my first try that I've done when I was doing the look for NYX, and they do look creepy and really cool. Okay, but that's just one, because I have another pair of lenses. Since I'm taking part in two, I'm going to make two videos for two different competitions. And this one is very similar. It's black, but it has white lines in there. See? So these are going to be even crazier. I'm really looking forward to creating these looks for NYX, and that's how I put them in. Just joking. It takes much more effort to put them in, but it's definitely worth it. And thank you very much, Lences Color Official, for supporting me in that. Now I need to just make sure that I have everything in my design that I plan complete. I have my full vision, and then to start painting it. Great. thank you very much for watching. This is just a short video, just a short update of what's happening. I hope you enjoy this short little video. I'm planning to release more videos soon. Some of them are actually already uploaded to the YouTube and they just release date and they will just come out. So it is now 100% that they will come out. It's not like I'm going to edit them and so on. So yes, subscribe to this channel if you enjoy videos like this, and look forward to a new video. Bye!